Ahmed Zahid. So we will take only 5 to 10 minutes for you. So I request, sir.
A very good afternoon to all. I would like to share a humble life of Dr. Emre Zahid that touched all of us. Resolving organizational dilemmas and conflicts, demonstrating abstract management concept through simplistic real-life scenarios, delving into historical perspectives and linking their essence to modern-day contemporary management practices, all got done as effortlessly by Dr. M. A. Zahid as when he would recite an Urdu couplet or two making compelling sense out of simple words that rhymed magically. Revered as a thinker, consultant, guide, and teacher, Dr. Zahid influenced almost everybody who had the good fortune of developing even an acquaintance with him. Born on 18th December 1942, Dr. Zahid started his career as an officer at Industrial Development Bank of India, Bombay. But his love for teaching beckoned him and he formally joined Banaras Hindu University and Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. And then he finally shifted to Punjab Agricultural University in August 1977 as a professor of business management and later as a dean on 1st April 2000. He retired in December 2002 but was given the exalted position of Professor Emeritus for 2 years. However, a year later, he joined as advisor and president HR, Trident Group of Companies, whereupon, having served for 2 years, he resigned to establish his own Institute of Management, that is Sanatic Business School, along with his son, Dr. Zafar Zahid, who is MBA PhD, and at that time was working as senior advisor and director of Saudi Telecom, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. An academician with a profound knowledge in organizational behavior and strategic management, Dr. Zahid got nominated by Government of India as director on the board of Allahabad Bank after nationalization of major Indian banks. He was also the former director on the board of Vardhaman Spinning and Journal Mills Limited, Trident Industry Limited, Metro Tyres Limited, and Ludhiana Stock Exchange. Of late, he had been serving in the capacity of director on the boards of several companies such as Hero Cycle Limited, Highway Industries, Hero Honda, Rockman Industries, Ralston India Limited, Majestic Auto Limited, Trident Cotton Limited, etc. A prolific writer and keen researcher, he contributed around 50 research papers published in different journals of repute and also authored a book titled Basics of Business Management, which was published by Netherlands Press in 2003. A recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award in 2009 from Punjab Commerce and Management Association and again from Modern Technology Management Institution, Maryland, USA. In the same year, Dr. Zahid has guided 7 PhD researchers and over 100 MPhil and MPhil and various research projects in different areas of management. Dr. Zahid held the Ludhiana Management Association as its president from 1995-97. He also served as president, Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture Among Youth, Ludhiana chapter from 1985 and 2002. Dr. Zahid was acknowledged management guru in this part of the country. Close to his heart were small-medium enterprises which according to him was the backbone of industrial development of Punjab, but were generally given short shrift by most management institutes. On 3rd December 2018, he was conferred by the Ludhiana Management Association with LMA Satpal Mittal Lifetime Achievement Awards of the year 2017. The award was declared in October 2018 on the Dr. Zahir's return from holy pilgrimage of Makkah Medina, the Hajj. Since then, the 1 year has passed. What a year it has been. The trustees of SPS and Zion Trust, founded by Dr. Zahir and his wife, Mrs. Ehla Zahir, in 2004, are working to live his legacy with students, faculty, and community towards holistic education and enriched purposeful life for all, without any malice and with goodwill for all. This journey is getting every day and moving swiftly towards the vision set by Dr. Zahir. Inshallah, may he rest in peace.
तो मनाने का सिर्फ एक ही रीजन है that you people come to know about who was the founder of this. Many of the faculty here have met him, have worked with him. Many of them are new. Most of you batches, you have not seen him. He died all of a sudden around 18. Dr. Zahir was a very humble person. Despite whatever he got achieved in life, he was very humble person. Old poet इकबाल आप लोगों ने शेर सुना होगा, जिसको नहीं समझ में आएगा बाद में मेरे जाके मिल लीजिएगा, ठीक है? खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से कुछ पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है? So God proposes, man disposes. So the only reason why I have got you people here is because we neither celebrate birth, neither mourn the death. We celebrate life. Dr. Zahir always used to say to people who used to come to him from all around the world, okay, that man or woman even is born to live and not to prepare for life. So please, we want that the students of this college and the faculty of this college and whomsoever you meet carry his legacy. You become successful in this life and enjoy your life, do the best you can, and whenever time permits you, remember and the people who have contributed to making this organization. That is the only submission. I would like Dr. Kazala to say a few words. Then we will have 1 minute of morning and then all of you can leave to the class.
जैसे डॉक्टर जफर ने अभी बोला कि हम यहाँ पे वैसे तो आज डॉक्टर ज़हीर सब जानते हैं उनको या नहीं जानते हैं? हाँ, नहीं जानते हैं, थोड़े बहुत लोग जानते हैं, सब नहीं जानते हैं उनको। तो जो जिस कॉलेज में मैं बहुत आप लोगों की समझने वाली लैंग्वेज में बोलने की कोशिश करूँगी, आप जहाँ पे जिस जगह पे खड़े हुए हैं ये उन्हीं की एक कोशिश थी, उनका सपना था कि मैं एक ऐसी जगह बनाऊं, एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट हो जहां हर तरह का बच्चा आके एजुकेशन ले सके। ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे आने के बाद कोई कास्ट, कोई रिलीजन नहीं हम देखते ना। हम यहाँ पे क्यों हैं? क्योंकि हमने सबने एक लेवल पे आके हम एक क्लास में एक साथ बैठते हैं, हमारी परसेंटेज के अकॉर्डिंग हम आते हैं, यहाँ पे एडमिशन में मिलता है। तो दिस वॉज हिज विजन कि हम एक सबको एक क्वालिटी एजुकेशन दे सकें और एक ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाएं जो इंडस्ट्री को नीड है, क्योंकि वो हमेशा से इंडस्ट्री के साथ ही एसोसिएटेड रहे और उनका ये सपना रहा कि जो इंडस्ट्री की नीड है हम वैसे बच्चों को तैयार कर सकें जो अपना करियर यहाँ लुधियाना इंडस्ट्रीज जो भी हमारे सराउंडिंग है जहाँ पे भी अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं वहाँ बना सकें। तो अगेन हम यहाँ पे उनकी वैसे तो डेथ एनिवर्सरी, लेकिन हम यहाँ उनकी लाइफ को सेलिब्रेट जो उन्होंने हम उनको किस तरीके से याद करेंगे, जो वो सोचते थे, जिस वजह से मतलब वो जाने जाते हैं हर एक जगह कहीं पे भी जाए डॉक्टर ज़हीर का नाम एक अदब के साथ एक आज भी लोग उनको याद करते हैं। तो हम उनकी लाइफ को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं। उनकी जैसे मिसरों को हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं, जिस तरीके से आप यहाँ पे जो उनका विजन था उनके ड्रीम्स को पूरा करेंगे, और वो कौन पूरा करेगा, आप लोग पूरा करेंगे।
Almighty you believe in, just have 1 minute of silence, then you can break out for your class.